frozen line on the water, the Dick Scots and Sim Peaks calling Maryland mornings all gray. Hearts warm in the shiver, ice breaks as pickle play. We ain't got gold, but we're rich out here, lost in a fisherman's day. Fishing on the bay, pickle slip away.
Hey, welcome back to the Big Yacker Fishing Channel. So for those of you new to the channel, my name is Colin. I did hit a bunch of new subscribers. So I did first want to give a shout out to Fishing the DMV, and that is hosted by Thomas Aarons. But I wanted to give him a shout out because I broke the 800 subscriber barrier. I think based on his video, I saw a lot of new subscribers come in. So I want to thank all of you new subscribers that came in for subscribing to my channel. And those of you that are new to the channel, or if you've been subscribed for quite a while, whenever I hit 100 subscriber milestone, so like this being 800, I do a free giveaway. So I will be giving away one of these hats, one of these Big Yacker fishing hats. And it is a snapback, so it fits all sizes. And this is one of the new hats, so you'll actually be one of the first ones to get one of these new hats. And then I have a few other prizes here I'm gonna show you. We just have a topwater lure there. And then we have another, like a jerkbait Pro Ripper 5.0. And then we have a swim jig here. And it's, I think it says 3/8 ounce swim jig. So we have that. And then we got some Guggen baits to go with that swim jig. And I think these ones are specifically the Crack and Craw. So one lucky winner will get the hat and all those lures that I have and all that tackle that I have there. Stay tuned to the end of the video for more details on how to win those. Stay tuned, watch the video, wait till the end to find out how you can win that prize. And again, all those new subscribers, I want to thank you for subscribing. I also want to thank the Fishing DMV. Go to his channel. You can see my video there and tons of other videos. He does a lot of great, has a lot of great information. It does focus a lot on freshwater, but he does dive into some saltwater stuff as well. So thanks for watching and stay tuned. Enjoy the video. Well, this is looking promising. Got a little bit high water. I think it's outgoing, and I think we're going to be in good shape. A lot of fish moving out here. A lot of fish moving out here. It's supposed to get windy today, but I think we'll be okay. I mean, look at, you got fish jumping all over there. Yeah. Fish under the docks. I don't think we're gonna go too far initially. Honestly, we're trying to cast a little bit around here, see if we can get on something. Alright, well, apparently this area held some tiny ass pickerel. When I say tiny, I'm talking about small pickerel. They're probably no bigger than my lure. Hit another. There we go, another one. Oh, that's a good size pickerel. Alright. Oh. Right, so apparently over here there's some pickerel, so we'll stay here for a little bit. Didn't even know she was on. Alright, just picked up this pickerel. Looks like the tide's starting to move, I think, and so these pickerel are starting to chomp. So let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got for size wise. That one picked it off right over there. That's just pretty cool. .21 an inch. Pickerel over here. Last cast here. Last cast over here. Oh, that's a cloud cast there. Oh, that's a nice little pull there. Alright. Caught a cast over there one last time. Oh, probably like a 15 to 20 or so. Alright, cool. The key is definitely protected areas today. There we go. There's something. Pickerel. There we go. Come on, Picky. There we go. Another pickerel. Lively old fella. Lively fella. Hey now. Hey now. Hey now. Yeah. Alright, this is it. Look at that thing. Looks like he has some kind of parasite on him or something. That's crazy. It's right about 21 or so. Eat him. Alright, cool. Hey, big yacker out here fishing on the creek. Gonna see what I can do. We're in the 25-26 CCA of Maryland. That's the Coastal Conservation Association of Maryland winter pickerel tournament. This is day number 2 of the tournament. It literally lasts all winter, so day 2 doesn't really mean anything. We're gonna go out here and throw some jerk baits around and see if we can get a couple pickerel today. And we're out here with my buddy Carl, last year's champion. So we'll see if he gets on any, see if I can get on any. Tide's really low, so I'm gonna have to just fish around the docks, in and out of the cove here, see if we can get on anything. All right, so thanks for watching, stay tuned. Looks like this would be a good area, a lot of laydowns, a lot of structure. So how deep it is. Oh my god. We're at the boat. Holy cow. Came up and caught it right at the boat. Damn. Right at the boat, my guy. Fat one, dude. And how long you are, we're gonna find out. All right, buddy. See you later. Thanks for finally biting. Finally got my first fish already over here. Good Lord, it took forever. 22 and a half. It was fat, but not long. Good weight and fish, but not. Literally took it right here at the boat. Had a little bite there. Like Carl said, they're definitely chewing. They're definitely chewing over here. Definitely chewing over here. 2 bites in the same spot. I must have a feeling they're kind of small. Oh, there's a cute little pickerel. Probably the smallest pickerel I've ever caught. Yep, tiny baby. Tiny pickerel. Alright. Just tiny little pickerel. Cutie pie. Saw that one come out and grab it. Another pickerel came and got it. Look at that. Little pickerels are chewing. Small one. Little pickles are chewing my lure. Fish. It's a pick. Take the pickerel. All right, thanks for watching the video today. So how do you win the prizes that I mentioned earlier? One winner, we'll do a random drawing, random giveaway based on the comments in the bottom of this video. So what you have to first do is, obviously you've already watched this video in its entirety, and I just need you to leave a comment in the comment section down below. But once you hit that like button and you leave a comment in the comment section down below and you're subscribed to the channel, you are entered to win, like I said, this hat and then all these different prizes. I will get back to you. So once the winner is drawn, it'll be in a follow-on video. Hope you enjoyed today's video. It's been a while since I've been out on the water. Been very busy. Now with the colder temperatures, probably still be on the water minimally in the winter, but at least that CCA of Maryland Pickerel tournament does make me get out on the water in the winter and fishing out till February at least. And then the new season comes around and it starts warming up and we'll get out on the water some more. But all right, thanks for watching. Good luck on winning the prize. Big Yacker out.
In the shiver, ice breaks, pickle play. We ain't got gold, but we're rich out here, lost in a fisherman's day. Fishing on the bay, pickle sip away.